10 for 10 by Hunter Recruitment Group is my way to celebrate 10 years in business with 10 interviews with people who've helped shape my life and my business. Today, join me, Craig McGregor, as I chat with Newcastle's best designer, Daniel Borg from Psyborg. So Daniel, Psyborg, Hunter Recruitment Group. This year we both turned 10. How does that feel?
It's amazing, mate. It's awesome. No, it's great.
Tell me about how we met. Where did we join forces?
Geez, would have been about seven or 8 years ago, I think, B&I.
Yep.
Yeah, so...
I remember standing in line waiting for bacon and eggs every week and having a chat to this cool graphic designer. That's my first memories.
Yeah. No, that was awesome, mate. The bacon and eggs were awesome, mate. Be able to get that hot breakfast every Wednesday morning was fantastic.
Yeah.
And, was it Charlestown, wasn't it?
Started at Charlestown, that's right. Moved around a little bit.
Yeah.
But most importantly, like anything in my business, relationships have been key.
Yep.
And I think, if I look back at my time in B&I, one of my critical relationships that I've built is with Daniel from Psyborg.
Yeah, I feel the same way with you, mate. Like to be able to learn a lot from your leadership skills and your entrepreneurial spirit has just been fantastic. So it's been a symbiotic relationship.
Yeah, cool. The thing about it is, though, I think, like anything in life, it's been fun. Like I really look back and reflect on the things that we've done together in terms of, you've helped me really establish a brand, and I've also learned from you around how you've established your brand, but the way that it's happened has been fun. We launched the website here about 6 months ago, and we cracked a beer and we made a little snappy video that it sparked so much conversation with my customers and friends. So that's the sort of stuff that I remember. How about yourself?
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, look, in the end, people buy from people, hey? So if you can't have fun with people, like how are you going to engage with people and sort of, partner with people to sort of make things happen? So if it's not fun, like I don't want to do it. So I'm so glad that you felt that way about it. I've seen it as fun as well. I love what I do, and I know you do as well. And I think that's the key. So once you find what your passion is and you enjoy doing it, fun's naturally going to occur from that. So
great. Tell me about some of your philosophies around authenticity. I really love some of the stuff that you've done there. And how does that reflect in how you build brands like Hunter Recruitment Group and our graphic design? Yeah,
well, I guess it even extends from what we just talked about by having fun. People having fun, it's hard to not have fun and not be honest.
Yep.
Because sort of fun comes from honesty. It's like a true spirit sort of thing. So authenticity definitely connects into that. So I guess that's part of my philosophy. If you're not doing what you love, you're not going to be having fun, and people just see that, people get that. So I think authenticity stems from fun and passion and love. So definitely try and, think of like honesty is at the core of that. You know? If you be honest, all of those things come from that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I truly believe that in business, being successful is about surrounding yourself with successful people.
Yep.
And I've been achieving that in not only the field that I'm in recruitment and career transition, but by finding partners. They're not suppliers in my business, but they're partners.
Yep.
Like Psyborg.
Yep.
You're my partner in website and graphic design.
Yep.
Do you believe in that as well?
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, it's all about relationships, right? So the more we get more benefit if we build closer relationships because there's more trust. So we can bounce ideas off each other. We can work together to achieve a common goal. So the more of a relationship we're in, the more that I can actually understand what's behind your thinking and then propose options that you might not even thought of. But because I start to know you more, I can actually start to really help you.
Yeah, and that fits really well with my philosophy. That's how I work with my clients.
Yeah.
Recruitment, I have to find them someone to work in their business. If I understand their business better, I do a better job. And I truly believe you've done that with us. You understand me, you understand our business, you understand our goals, and that's reflective in our design. It's reflective in our website. Our website is so different to other recruitment websites, but that's what we are.
Yeah, well, it's individualising you. It's finding your differentiation, and that's what makes you stand out from your competitors. So building trustful relationships, like a designer and client, is really important because it lets me find out what makes you different, and I believe it's you. You is what you make you, because you really know yourself and understand yourself and you communicate, and that's kind of rare. A lot of people put up masks and put up fronts, but I feel like you are who you are, And I can only say that because I've known you for 7 or 8 years,
Yep.
and I've seen the consistency of what you've done. So for us, it's about just showing that to the world. It's not that hard. It's just understanding that that's what it is, that differentiation, and then portraying that, you know. Like all the things you're doing with the business chamber and with when I was with you at BNI, like just how you've actually been a leader and you've sort of put your first best foot forward all the time, and with everyone's best interest at heart. It's just been awesome. Yeah.
So you've done some design for us. We've built this great relationship. What's the most fun thing you've done, or the most rewarding thing you've done for Hunter Recruitment Group? What have you enjoyed the most out of our?
I think it's that beer has been really fun.
A beer bottle? Yeah. So 10-year anniversary.
It's only a beer bottle, but I just love it how it's actually taking your brand to another level. Like we're using the pipe work and the flow, the process, and the pathways of what people's journey, and we've sort of used the metaphor of a beer, and that's something you love as well. So me knowing you love your love of craft beer, and the relationship we've had together, we've been able to bring that into a metaphor of a beer, and it works for your business celebrating your 10 years. So honestly, that's been fun. I can't wait for your 10-year party to actually crack it open and have a drink. So that's awesome. But like, it's not that. In the end, it's not even just design. It's not the actual project. I think it's just the camaraderie that you have with people, and that's really what I love and I enjoy. And I think in the end, look, we've only got the moment, haven't we? Only got now, and just to be able to enjoy moments with people is awesome. Yeah.
So I think, you know, this beer bottle, what you said, is it does say a lot, and on there's a bit of a phrase there from me that it's all about building relationships with people. And so I want to just say thank you for the time that we've spent together. We'll enjoy that beer together, and thanks for being one of our 10 for 10s.
Mate, I enjoy it. Thank you so much, Craig.
Thanks, Daniel.
Thank you.